A warm greeting. Today is Tuesday, August 22, 2023. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia speaking. In this video, I will be providing a brief update on the forecast related to Tropical Storm Franklin and its imminent passage over the Dominican Republic and Haiti. First, I would like to mention that Tropical Storm Franklin remains very weak. The shear wind from the west and northwest has been affecting the system for the last 36 hours. This morning, we woke up to a much more disorganized system compared to what we had during the previous day. This is good news for the Dominican Republic and Haiti because the storm hasn't strengthened. At 5 a.m., the National Hurricane Center confirmed that the storm maintains maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour. However, the National Hurricane Center also notes that the center of circulation is estimated to be near latitude 14.8 degrees north and longitude 70.3 degrees west, but it's difficult to precisely pinpoint its location. We will have to wait for a Hurricane Hunter aircraft to go out or see if later in the morning, with the sunrise and visible satellite imagery, we can better identify where that center is. Additionally, the National Hurricane Center mentions that there might be some adjustments in the center's location, but this shouldn't change the forecast significantly. Nevertheless, it's expected to cross over the Dominican Republic or Haiti during the morning hours of Wednesday. Very early in the morning, while recording this video at 6:45 a.m. local time, I'm observing a slight rotation near latitude 15 degrees north and longitude 72 degrees west. Although this isn't official, if this truly is the center of circulation, it means that the center has shifted considerably to the west, and the area of rain and thunderstorms remains to the right. We're dealing with an extremely disorganized system. But remember, this isn't official, and I'll be attentive to see what the National Hurricane Center says at 8 a.m. If it shifted further to the west, it's possible that it could enter areas of Haiti instead of the southern part of the Dominican Republic. Keep in mind that if this is the center and it ends up weakening dramatically, we might see the development of a new center of circulation more towards the east. Regardless of these potential changes in the center's location, remember that the anticipated effects in the Dominican Republic and Haiti are essentially the same: torrential rains capable of causing a significant flooding event. If we switch to the infrared satellite image, you can also see how it's generating strong thunderstorms and showers. The thunderstorms are displaced to the south and southeast of the circulation. The shear wind has certainly been too much for this system, and we'll be awaiting the next Hurricane Hunter aircraft mission to see how Tropical Storm Franklin's structure is faring. In this satellite image, it's also suggested that the center might be located in this area rather than where the National Hurricane Center estimated it at 5 a.m. I think this because we're also seeing some outer bands forming in this area. It makes more sense for the center to be situated around this area. There haven't been significant changes in the projected paths according to the models. You can see that it will soon start turning completely northward and is expected to cross over the Dominican Republic or Haiti during the Wednesday morning hours. Then it will take a more eastward turn, and during the weekend, it will move northward. It's important for interests in Bermuda to stay alert to this forecast since conditions will be favorable in that area for it to become a hurricane. For the Dominican Republic and Haiti, the good news is that most models agree that it should remain a weak tropical storm at least until it reaches the Dominican Republic and Haiti. Once it crosses over Hispaniola, you can see that a gradual or somewhat rapid strengthening is forecasted as it moves north of Puerto Rico. It might potentially pose a threat to Bermuda. Here we have the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center, where they estimated the center of circulation at 5 a.m. You can see that the forecast maintains a general northward trajectory until the early hours of Wednesday. Then a north-northeastward movement is anticipated at least until Thursday. There's also a tropical storm warning for the southern parts of the Dominican Republic and Haiti and a watch for northern parts of the Dominican Republic and some islands in the Bahamas. This trajectory could shift a bit more to the west if it's confirmed that the center of circulation is displaced to the west of this thunderstorm area. Some have asked me what would happen if the center relocates more to the southeast, where the stronger thunderstorms are currently located. There aren't expected to be very significant changes. It's almost certain that it will be crossing over the Dominican Republic or Haiti due to the high pressure strengthening in the eastern Caribbean region. This system will follow that northward path. As for Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, we are still in a fairly safe situation, although precautions are advised as rainy days are expected. There's a risk of flooding and landslides. The development of this high pressure can be seen in the GFS model. You can see the high pressure I mentioned here in red. In this animation, you can see how it will be moving westward over the next few days. Here we can see that by Wednesday morning, it's moving westward, which would protect Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, and force Tropical Storm Franklin to take a northward trajectory. This is regardless of whether the center relocates more to the east or southwest, the trajectory would still lead it over the Dominican Republic or Haiti if it shifts westward. Other good news is that the global models in their latest runs have shown a much weaker system. For example, here we have the GFS model, which now has a tropical storm entering the southern part of Haiti, possibly reflecting the center being farther west than estimated by the National Hurricane Center. Additionally, we have the European model, which continues to suggest that Tropical Storm Franklin would arrive much weakened over areas of Haiti. The German model maintains a trajectory very similar to that of the National Hurricane Center, but this morning it had a much weaker system compared to the projections it had yesterday. Therefore, the risk of wind has significantly decreased for the Dominican Republic and Haiti. Nonetheless, gusts of wind between 80 to 100 km per hour are still expected to affect some areas of the southern parts of the Dominican Republic and Haiti during the Wednesday morning hours. Although these are good news, do not let your guard down, as the rainfall forecast has basically remained the same. Here we have the GFS model's projection, with rainfall estimates between 250 to 300 mm in some areas of the southern parts of Haiti and the Dominican Republic. This could cause serious flooding problems. The other models also agree with this forecast. For instance, the European model indicates up to 450 mm in some areas of the southern Dominican Republic. The German model also projects 375 to 250 mm in areas of the central southern Dominican Republic. Lastly, for the residents of Bermuda, be on alert because conditions are expected to be very favorable for Tropical Storm Franklin to undergo significant strengthening in the southwestern Atlantic, once it has crossed over the Dominican Republic and Haiti. Here we can see the GFS model's projection, showing a powerful hurricane over the weekend as it moves northward. Well, that would be all for the morning update today. Stay tuned for updates to finally see where the National Hurricane Center estimates the center of circulation to be at 8 a.m. and to learn about any potential changes that might arise in the official trajectory. I hope everyone has a good day. To our friends in the Dominican Republic and Haiti, continue with your preparations for a significant rainfall event. See you later.